everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be exploring a new feature that GoodNotes 5 have just brought out with their newest update. But before we start, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the updated GoodNotes 5 feature called Elements. So as of today, GoodNotes 5 has just introduced its 5.7 update, which features a new icon in the toolbar called Elements. Elements basically serve as your pasteboard for saving images, text and handwritten notes, diagrams or any combination to be used in different documents or planners. You can find this new feature with this icon under the toolbar. But if you can't find this icon, make sure you go to the App Store and update your GoodNotes 5 app to the latest version. And my experience so far with the Elements feature has improved my productivity so much more than ever. I will show you in a moment what the first tab is for. So the second tab has come with some default sticky notes. By clicking on it here, scroll down and select the one you want to use. Next we have mind map stickers that look amazing. Then we have back to school stickers, text stamps, next everyday stickers, and lastly we can import our own collections by either adding photos from your camera roll or importing them from the Files app such as Google Drive or wherever you have backed up. With this new function, you no longer have to copy and paste between different documents or redraw the same things again when you are in a hurry. From the toolbar, you can insert any saved element back into your planner, and to add a new element, you can select something with the lasso tool or import images such as digital stickers or sticky notes. The elements are also saved in collections which group different types of elements that are easily accessible from the toolbar. So you can have collections for morning routine stickers or even different subjects. This new feature is super amazing because when it comes to bullet journaling, it's now incredibly easy to save custom stickers to decorate your notes or add sticky notes with this update. You will have access to a few default collections such as sticky notes and shapes here. I am adding the digital stickers that I have created into a new collection, so that I can easily access them when I am planning with my digital planner. Also, when journaling, you no longer have to draw the same shapes over and over again, because now you can simply save it one time as an element. I wish I had this feature when I was journaling before, because it was such a hassle redrawing a bunch of shapes in my planner, but I am glad that this new feature will help a lot of you guys out there who are currently studying or students that require you to add a lot of diagrams or shapes into your notes. And that pretty much wraps up what Elements is in this update. GoodNotes 5 is highly packed with so many other different functions, and I hope that this added on feature will now increase your workflow even more. So to celebrate the launch of Elements, I am giving away a free collection. This is a pre-cropped GoodNotes sticker sheet. So you will just lasso each individual sticker and click the add element option. Alright, so now it's time to go organize all of my stickers into Elements. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a like, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Bye.